Hey guys, I'm Asmita and I'm back with another makeup video which looks perfect for upcoming festive season. Here I am gonna show you an ultra glamorous look paired with Dhakai sari and Kundan jewelry best for Kali Puja. Now for this look I have created a floral juda which already up on my channel. You can also check that out. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. Let's get started. Prepping up my skin with cetaphill moisturizer and perfect match primer. After few seconds I'm gonna spray NYX fixer to make my skin little sticky, and it helps to keep the foundation for a longer time. Then correcting my face by applying the orange concealer and where I have dark patches and dark circle. Then I'm gonna blend the concealer or corrector with this damp sponge. Then I'm using this concealer from MAC and I'm in a shade NC42. I'm using my fingertips to apply this on the areas where I need to conceal, like underneath my eyes, around my mouth, on the bridge of my nose and on my eyelid. I'm applying this on the dabbing motion with my fingertips, and then I'm going to blend it out with a damp sponge, again in a dabbing motion. Then I'm using this foundation from Loreal, this infallible 24-hour foundation. Now it's a medium to high coverage foundation and also demi matte, so it's great for festive season. I'm using the damp sponge to apply the foundation, and also I'm blending out with this damp sponge. Then I'm going to conceal my face with this age rewind concealer from Maybelline, and my shade is medium. I'm going to apply this on the underneath my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, on my upper eyelid and areas around my mouth. First I'm using a damp sponge to dab the concealer, and then I'm going to use a buffing brush to buff all the foundation and concealer that I have on my face. And I'm also dragging the foundation and the concealer on my neck area and on my ears. Next I'm going to bake my face with this luxury banana powder from Makeup Revolution, and I am applying the same damp sponge. I'm applying the powder on the areas where I have already applied the concealer, like on the high points of my face, and I'm also applying little bit of powder on my neck area and on the ears. Then I'm going to set my brows with these two brushes. First I'm gonna use this spoolie to dust off the excess product on my brows, and then I'm using these two shades from the Sephora geometric palette, and I'm going to fill my brows with this angular brush. I'm using the lighter shade on the inner side of my brows, and then I'm using the darker shade on the arch of my brows. First I'm going to dust off the excess powder that I have on my face, and then I'm using a trick to make my skin look more flawless. I'm using a damp sponge and dab it around my face. It will reduce the powdery finish and your skin will look more smooth and flawless. Then I'm using this Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette, and I'm using this shade, and I'm using a eyeshadow brush to blend it out on the eyelid. Then I'm using the darker shade and using a fluffy eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to apply this on the lid, especially on my crease line and on the outer part. And I'm also dragging the brush on the lower waterline. Then I'm using this a little bit more darker shade, and I'm applying this on the outer third of my eyelid. This time I'm not going beyond the crease line, and also dragging the brush on the waterline. Then I'm going to tightline my eyes with this Faces Canada kajal, and also I'm going to use this Miss Claire green pencil on the lower waterline, and I'm also using this pencil on the outer third of my lower waterline. Then I'm using this green shade from the same palette and I'm going to smudge all the colors that I have on my waterline. Then I'm using this highlighter shade from l.a. Colors Chicken Highlight Palette, and I'm using this on the inner corner of my eyes and on my brow bone. And for that I'm using an pencil brush. And then I'm using this shade, this is a shimmery color, and I'm patting this on my eyelids. I'm using this product only on the center of my eyelids, and also drag the brush to the inner corners. Then I'm applying the shade to warm up my face. I'm applying this with a buffing brush on the hollows of my cheek, and then I'm using this pink shade from Sephora Geometric Palette, and I'm applying this on the apple of my cheeks and also on the bridge of my nose and a little bit on my chin for a natural glow. Then to contour my face, I'm using this two shade from the same palette, and I'm applying this on the hollows of my cheek and on my jawline, and using my fingertips for my nose contouring. Now I'm using this black shade and I'm going to apply this on the edge of my upper eyelid. It is going to intensify my eyelid little more. Then I'm going to curl my lashes from the Body Shop curler, lash curler, and then I'm going to use this Loreal mascara. First I'm going to apply the mascara primer, and after 2 to 5 seconds later I'm going to apply the mascara for both of my lashes. For my lips, first I'm going to use this Lakme Peach Magnet Lip Crayon, and then I'm going to use this shade from Lakme 9 to 5 lipstick in a shade Rosy Sunday. Then I'm going to put my bindi and the earrings, and this is the complete look. I hope you guys like this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more such videos.